Hand pies are fun to make and fun to eat. Today we're making blackberry. You can use any fruit. You can use apple, peaches, blueberries. I have a quarter cup of blackberries, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of cornstarch, mixed up on a little plate. 2 rounds that I cut with a bowl with my pie crust that will fit in my air fryer. It's not going to do you much good to make them too big and they don't fit. My rounds are cut. The pie crust recipe, no sodium pie crust, is a video on this channel. Please subscribe to my channel every Friday. There's going to be a brand new low sodium recipe. And sometimes I throw in a little tip in there. Click on the little bell. You'll be notified every time I put a new one out there. My filling's mixed up. Put your fingers in water and just kind of run it around the edges of the crust. Just a little bit. We're doing one at a time. Then we'll put half of the filling down here in it. Roll it over. Smack it down with your fingers. And then take the fork and go around it. This is going to seal them together good. Okay. Do the other one. And then these plates are going to go in my refrigerator until these get cold. Because when they're cold, the pie crust is easier to pick up and transfer to the air fryer basket without breaking it. When I make these with apple, I don't have to add any cornstarch, but any of the berries, blackberry, blueberries, have a lot of liquid in there and it needs just a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up as it cooks. When these get cold, I'll spray the tops with nonstick, sprinkle a little sugar on them, and then I'm going to make slits, 3. I don't want to go over on this larger part. I'll go from about 3/4 inch down like this. If I go too far here, then when it cooks, the juice is allowed to go out of the ham pie and into the air fryer. And it is not fun to clean up. My air fryer is preheated to 400 degrees. Both of the ham pies set up in the refrigerator. I sprayed them, put a little sugar on them, and made 3 little slits in there. I'm going to turn my temperature down to 370 degrees. Put these little guys in there. You can use your imagination with these things. Mix up whatever you want. Blueberries and blackberries, whatever it is that you like. Some people just put preserves in there. 10 minutes in my air fryer, and these are cooked. The crust is golden brown. It's going to be crunchy, and we'll just pick them up and eat them. There is no sodium in any of the ingredients in these hand pies. If you make them with apples, they might have 1 for a whole batch. The peaches and the blueberries do not have sodium. Low sodium desserts is something you can definitely have.